Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and update. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on backup option, and as you can see, we will be automatically transferred to this Google section. So let's tap on next and tap on add account. If you've got your Google account added, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to do it right now. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and confirm everything with your screen lock. Here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or type your email or phone. So let me do it. No. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just tap on next. Just choose the proper option and tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we have to decide what kind of data we want to backup, so either photos and videos or other device data. Just mark it and tap on confirm, and then manage backup. I just did it too fast. So here we've got the backup details. You can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, where you can turn on this option. However, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, just tap on backup now, and from now on your device is backing up the data. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock or any other lock you've got. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.